Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So I know I said that I'm gonna make a video 3 times a week without fail, but then I fell ill. I had a cold from the past 1 week. I would say, okay, not 1 week, but I had it for a few days, like 2 or 3 days, and then after that I absolutely did not have the energy to make a video. I mean, I was just in this phase when I just wanted to sleep and relax for a while. But yeah, now I'm finally back. I'm okay right now. I don't want to take a lot of your time, and let's keep this video really short and sweet. And in today's video, as you have already seen the title and the thumbnail, I am gonna be showing you all how to use a sheet mask correctly. So sheet masks are basically these hydrating masks that you apply on your face. I'm pretty sure all of you are aware of sheet masks. These are basically just masks that hydrate your skin and make your skin look really plump and glowy, and they contain ingredients that can give you that instant hydration, which I'm sure all of us need. There are numerous benefits of using sheet mask, but do you know that most of us don't use sheet mask the right way? I mean, I myself used to use a sheet mask in a very wrong way, and then it took me a while to figure out how to use it correctly. So I'm pretty sure most of us make these mistakes, so let's see how to rectify it. Many people do not apply sheet mask the right way. There's a process you need to follow while applying a sheet mask. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about that and showing you all how to use a sheet mask properly and what sheet mask are you supposed to go for. Without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. And also, if you're new to my channel and you're seeing my face for the very first time, hi, my name is Afreen and I make content related to makeup, fashion, skincare, DIYs, fun challenges and a lot more. So in case you're interested in any of this kind of content, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon next to it so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. Without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. So step number 1 is always wash your hands before applying your sheet mask. Now, I know most of y'all are like, duh, we always wash our hands before skincare. But the thing is, after a few steps of our skincare, we do touch our mobile phones and everything. And do you know a known fact that your mobile phone is much more dirtier compared to a toilet seat? Yes guys, you heard it right. The screens of your mobile phones are actually dirtier than the toilet seat. So of course you need to sanitize your phone and everything, but speaking of the sheet mask, when you touch the sheet mask, the germs tend to go into the sheet mask, and through your sheet mask they go into your skin and they clog your pores and everything. So just before you apply your sheet mask, make sure to wash your hands really well. I have just washed my hands and I've got back. Step 2, make sure you wash your skin really well and make sure your skin is squeaky clean. Also, I like to wash my skin for 60 whole seconds, nothing more, nothing less. This is just gonna make sure that all the grime is out of my skin, and at the same time it won't be too drying. And I would suggest you all to use a sponge, a silicone sponge or silicone brush or anything of that sort, because it helps you clean your skin much better. Once you're done, splash some lukewarm water on your skin. And now I'm just gonna grab a tissue from nowhere and put it on my face and blot out all the excess water. Step number 3, make sure you exfoliate your skin before using a sheet mask. Now this is not 100% required because you can't exfoliate your skin again and again, but you know what I'm trying to say, right? Basically, if your skin is not squeaky clean, the sheet mask cannot perform really well. So if your skin is clean and exfoliated, the sheet mask can perform well on your skin. Step number 4, apply a little bit of skincare. If you wish, you can apply a little bit of skincare beforehand, like your toner and things like that. What I like to do is I like to steam my face to open up the pores. Moving on to step 5, make sure you refrigerate your mask for at least 15-20 minutes so that your sheet mask is nice and cool. Step 6. All you have to do is apply your sheet mask now. So take your sheet mask, whatever sheet mask you're going for. I have a couple of sheet masks here. So I have this one by Garnier. This is the Hydra Bomb one. I initially thought I'll use this. Basically this has green tea and hyaluronic acid. Now I wanted to make a video on chemical peels and chemical exfoliants. There's so much to talk about. Just a lot of content that I haven't spoken about. Like I have a lot of content coming up. So I have to speak about hyaluronic acid, salicylic acid, AHAs, BHAs and a lot more. So I'm gonna make a video on that really soon. But also let me tell you that whatever skincare you're using already has a percentage of these chemical exfoliants. So like me, if you're under 21, you can always use products that have these chemicals like salicylic acid, hyaluronic acid or anything of that sort. It's not compulsory for you to use a chemical peel or a chemical exfoliant itself. The most common ingredient in all of these masks is hyaluronic acid. So what hyaluronic acid does, it grabs moisture from the environment and it makes your skin super plump, and it just leaves your skin so hydrated, which I absolutely love. I also have these masks from Jeju. So as you all know that these are basically Korean masks, and if you all know me, you know my love for Korea. So Jeju is basically a place in Korea, and Jeju Island basically, I think most of you all already know it. So I have these masks from Jeju. These are like so good. I have tried I don't know, I just love these masks. The sheets have these designs on them, which is something I did not find in any other mask. So I really love the masks from Jeju. I'll leave the link down in the description if you want to try them, because these are so good. I've also tried a Jeju mask in one of my videos. I'll leave the link down in the description or on the I button, so you can just click the I button and make sure to watch the video. So I also have a mask from Kaya. So I have tried this before. I had 3 of these masks, and then I've already tried 2, and I'd say this mask is so good. This retails for rupees 125, and from Jeju these retail for 150 each mask. And moving on to masks which are more affordable, we have Garnier, then we have Lakme. I'm not sure if L'Oreal is cheaper, but yeah, I'm pretty sure the masks from L'Oreal are good as well. So I have these 3 masks from Garnier which retail for 75 rupees each. I'll leave the link down in the description box below. These are so good. I have tried a lot of masks from Garnier. Another company I would really recommend is the Body Shop and the Face Shop. Especially Face Shop has really good products, really good sheet masks. So again, Face Shop is a Korean brand, and nothing better than Korean sheet masks, right? So yeah, I would really recommend you all to try products from the Face Shop because they are just so good. So I made my decision. I think I'm going for this Garnier black serum mask, which is charcoal mask, because my skin has not been at its best lately. You can see that I don't know, my skin is really dehydrated and dull, and I'm not getting time for skincare. So this is like a good substitute. Step 6, make sure you massage your mask so that the serum in the mask is easily spread out. I'm going to be opening this mask. This is how you're supposed to use a mask. So I have already refrigerated this mask earlier, and I just took it out 15 minutes back, so it's nice and cool. Now I have just taken off this. Now step 7, make sure you take your mask like so. Grab your mask and then make sure you squeeze out the excess product. Now by squeeze out the excess product, I don't mean to actually squeeze it. You're just supposed to take off the mask, but just keep your hand like so, and make sure you just squeeze out all the excess water or excess serum. I just said water, didn't I? So this still has a lot of product in, so save this for later. Now you can open your mask. Wow, this is soaking with serum. Now all you've got to do is apply this on your skin. One thing is, make sure that the sheet mask is completely aligned with your skin and it should properly sit on your skin. So yeah, sometimes for me, my skin, I have a small face, so the sheet mask generally is very big for me, so I have to adjust it. But yeah, make sure you adjust it really well. I have seen people wear sheet masks so perfectly without even a single crease. So I envy them so much because it doesn't, all the sheet masks are like so big for my face. Any which way, sure to keep the sheet mask for only 15 minutes. Anything more than 15 minutes is serum is gonna be absorbed from your skin and comes back to your sheet mask. So basically just gonna dry out your skin. So make sure to not leave your sheet mask for more than 15 minutes, maximum 20 minutes. Don't leave your sheet mask for anything more than that. It's been 15 minutes and I'm just gonna take off the mask. So the mask still has a lot of serum. So if you squeeze the mask, there is still a lot of serum. So I'm just gonna keep this aside and I'm gonna be applying this on my neck. One mistake people do is reuse the sheet mask. So that is something you're supposed to avoid. Make sure you moisturize your hands and everything, guys. And you're not supposed to use a sheet mask again because it can damage your skin. Skin just feels so hydrated. Don't forget to apply the excess serum on your neck. So we are done with step 8. Step 9. Make sure you massage all the leftover serum into your skin, and don't forget your under eyes, guys, because this serum is actually really good for your under eyes. Take out all of the excess of serum from the packet and just apply it on your hands and your legs and your neck and everything. If you wish, you can also use a jade roller or something of that sort while you still have your sheet mask on your face. This is really gonna help you. So there is so much of serum. It just feels so good on your skin. My skin is already feeling really hydrated. I mean, I know there's still a lot of serum on my face, but my skin just feels so hydrated. And I don't know if you can make out, my skin is just feeling a lot more plump. Like, it was very drying. I could feel that it was not that soft before, although I have a little extra serum which probably might dry in a few seconds. The one thing I'd like to stress on is, please do not wear your sheet mask for anything more than 15 minutes because it's gonna dry out your skin and it's not good. After 15 minutes, just take off your sheet mask and just throw it. Do not reuse your sheet mask and do not wash your face, guys. Many people, after using the sheet mask, they go and they wash their face, and I really don't understand the point of that. And do one more thing. So the skin on your elbow is a lot more drier, so you can just take the excess of serum and massage it on your elbow and your knees and any place that is dry. If you're gonna do your makeup after this, make sure you wait for 10 minutes, and if you're going to bed, you can just apply your lip balm. So just make sure you apply your moisturizer after this, maybe a sunscreen after this dries, but I like to do this in the night so that I don't like to layer a lot of product. So after my sheet mask, I don't like to put anything on my skin. I just want the sheet mask to get absorbed deeper into the skin. Yeah, maybe a light moisturizer that has that penetrates deeper into my skin would do, but except that, I don't like to apply anything on my skin after my sheet mask. Just apply your lip balm and you can go to bed if you're doing this at night, or if you're just doing this in the morning or any time in the day or before your makeup or anything. You can just wait for 15 minutes and continue doing the rest. I don't know if you can tell, but my skin already feels and looks so healthy. It just feels so good. So yeah, that is it for this video, guys. I really hope you liked this video. I really hope you all enjoyed watching this video. So in case you have seen my previous video, you'll know that I have recently started giving shout outs. For today's video, the shout out goes to Sushma Lathwal. So shout out to you, girl. And in case you guys want to shout out as well, all you've got to do is comment on the latest video. And as you all know that I have a giveaway every month. So the giveaway for this month is on the 20th. I have spoken about it in my previous video. All you've got to do is interact with my content, comment as much as you can on all of my videos. So for the giveaway, the more seen you are, the more noticed you are, the more are the chances of winning the giveaway. So yeah, as you all know that I introduce a new Chinese, Korean or French word after every video. So as you all know, I make 3 videos a week. The first video will have a Korean word, then a Chinese word, and then a French word. I'm gonna alternate it like that. And the Chinese word for the day is ni hao, which means hello. So ni hao. So yeah, that is it for this video, guys. I really hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and if you all enjoyed it, you know what to do. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. You can click on the I button and see more videos of mine, or watch videos from here. And yeah, I'll see you all super soon with another one. Until then, bye.